Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm up bright and early, and I decided to cook me some breakfast. And particularly, I'm going to cook some eggs right now. I love my eggs. I've had people cook eggs for me before in the past, and just quite didn't do it for me. Either they're undercooked, it'll be too hard, they turn green, all kinds of crazy stuff. So I'm about to show you how I cook my eggs. And if you ever get a chance to cook for me, I'm gonna show you how I want my eggs to be done. They should be nice, velvety, and soft, and really good with a piece of toast or something like that. That's how I'm gonna do it. You ain't gotta do it this way. This is what I like. Guys, get up and cook your women breakfast. I ain't gotta worry about that. Single guy. Single gang, what's up? Single gang, what's up? But anyway, here we go. So I'm gonna start with a cold pan. And I got some grease right here from some low-fat pepperoni that I'll be using to scramble my eggs with for a little extra flavor. And you're wondering, like, why is he using pepperoni grease? That's because I'm making a little flatbread with pepperoni, and I have some cheese on here. I'll have a video for that also. But this looks really nice. Okay. I usually use turkey bacon, but I ran out of turkey bacon, so pepperoni it is. Okay. Here we go. Cold pan. Got my eggs. Scramble really nice. My eggs. Put on fire. Alright, and immediately I'm going to start incorporating air into my eggs. Give it a stir. This style of method is a little bit tedious, but I don't want any parts of my eggs to cook more than the other. I've seen people put eggs inside of a pan, just let it sit first, and then they scramble a little bit, they move it around, give it a little bit of jazz here, jazz there. But they should constantly be moving. So you see how it's starting to coagulate, thicken up? I turn my heat down a little bit, and I'm just going to continue to give these guys love. That's all they want. They want some love. Some people put the salt in their eggs before scrambling. That's fine. It helps the eggs break down, but it also causes the water to come out of them also. So I kind of like season at the end because I don't want any separation going on. I'm gonna cut the heat off right now, and I'm gonna see how far they go. It's enough heat in the pan to finish cooking these eggs. It might not look like it, but it's plenty. They're really nice and soft, but I want these cooked just a little bit more. There you go. There we go. So a little heat. Just give a little bit more cook on that. And these are done in my book. This is what I like. This is how I like them. See, they're not overcooked. They're actually scrambled. They have a nice shine to it. And guess what? These are going right on top of my little breakfast flatbread here. A little bit of olive oil. Got some fresh spinach, some baby spinach. I'm gonna finish my flatbread off with. And I'm doing this just to wilt the spinach. Season with salt. I don't do a lot of pepper, but I'll give it a kick of cayenne pepper. You know, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic blend. And this is dash as well. If y'all happen to see this video, This is Dash. Show me some love also. Anyway, I'm doing this just to wilt the spinach. Nothing more. Like seriously, like off right now. It's off. That's it. I want to be able to keep the nutrients and a little bit of crunchy texture in that also. Because food has to have textures as well. So again, the reason why I love my eggs like this, because I have a nice soft egg, just nice flatbread. I got the spinach. I got some crispiness from the low-fat pepperoni. All the textures in one. Simple, easy, effective breakfast, and it's not bad in calories or high in fat either. So it's actually pretty healthy. Here you go, fellas. Make your women breakfast, or ladies, make breakfast for your man or your family. It doesn't matter. Get up and cook. It's really easy. Food brings people together. This is the Pastry Warden, signing out. I'm about to tear this up. Yum.